Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. As you can see, it is highlighted. So to be able to change the options connected with the video, we have to switch to the video mode. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we have to take a look at this option bar on the left and tap on the three bars icon which are at the bottom. So here the second bar is connected with the resolution. We've got three different options: 720p, 1080p, which is currently applied, as you can see it is highlighted, and 4K. So just mark the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 4K. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted, which means that from now on the device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.